Now, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaia's anti-Sanatani rant. Important to understand that the Karnataka Chief Minister has said, and I quote, that avoid the company of Sanatanis. Now, the Karnataka Chief Minister further went on to say that associate with those who stand for society. He went on to add that the CGI was a Dalit and was attacked by a Sanatani. Important to understand that the Karnataka Chief Minister has in fact made a reference to the CGI, Bhargavi, being attacked inside the court premises. Meanwhile, the BJP has lashed out at the Karnataka Chief Minister, saying that the Chief Minister is trying to divert the attention from the graft cases. Important information coming in from Karnataka at this hour, as the Karnataka Chief Minister has said, and I quote, that avoid the company of Sanatanis. To this, the BJP has lashed out in saying that the Karnataka Chief Minister is trying to divert attention from graft cases.
ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರು ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರು ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸನಾತನ ಧರ್ಮದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಶೂ ಎಸಿತಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಜಾತಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಇದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಮುಖ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರು ದಲಿತ ಜಾತಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದವರು, ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶೂ ಎಸಿತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಜೀವಂತ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾತಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಸನಾದಿಗಳು ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಟ್ಟಭದ್ರರು ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರೆರೆದು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳಿಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ
Well, on this, my colleague Ritu Rajpuru joins us on the telecast. And Ritu, of course, these are important comments coming in from the Karnataka Chief Minister, but it is also important to understand the context in which these comments were made. Walk us through it.
Well, you see, we've been seeing how that the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has been reacting to this particular incident where we had a lawyer trying to throw a shoe at the CGI. And right after that, we had seen often that how Siddaramaiah has come out to make his statements very clearly about these kind of incidents. Now, herein you have him first mentioning about the kind of incident that has occurred against someone who is again from a Dalit community, point number one. Point number two, you see, he further goes on to say that these are the people from the Sanatanis and one really needs to be alert of them. This is what he mentions, and therefore forward he says that there are also those who also oppose to the constitutions. Now, someone like he further adds on about the Manuwadis and Savarkar, he was someone who was actually opposed the constitution. So these are the kind of statements that are coming in from the Karnataka CM Siddaramaiah, and more importantly, you see the kind of the company statement that is coming in. That's something that is drawing a sharp reaction, because he says one needs to stand by those who really support the societal changes and not by them who do not change, who do not stand by the societal changes. Now, bringing in societal changes becomes very important for him, because he says there should be a caste system that should completely be eradicated. On those lines is that this kind of statement has been made by the CM, but needs to be seen how is it going to be absorbed by the lot of oppositions now here.